kids! Welcome to SmartKids Bangla. Let's learn ABC. Hey kids! Today's letter is A. A for apple. A says ah. It's letter B. B for ball. B says boo. Let's bounce together. Ready for the next letter? It's letter C. C for cat. C says coo. Cat is cute and playful. Let's tap to the next letter. It's letter D. D for drum. D says do. Let's drum together. Here comes a big friend. It's letter E. E for elephant. E says eh. Let's learn a new letter. F for fish. F says F. It's letter G. G for giraffe. G says G. The giraffe is tall and friendly. H for house. H says huh. Home is where we live and play. I for ice cream. I says ugh. Ice cream is cold and sweet. J for jelly. J says J. Jelly jiggles and wiggles. Great! That's the letter J. K for kite. K says coo. Fly high in the sky. L for lion. L says Lou. The lion is the king of the jungle. M for monkey. M says moo. The monkey loves to swing and laugh. Great job, kids!
N for nest. N says N. Birds sleep in the nest.
O for orange. O says O. Orange is round and juicy. Yay! Letter O. P for parrot. P says poop. The parrot talks to you. Q for queen. Q says quoo. The queen wears a shiny crown. R for rabbit. R says roo. The rabbit jumps fast. S for sun. S says, the sun shines bright in the sky. You learned letter S.
T for tiger. T says too. The tiger walks with pride. Great job, kids!
U for umbrella. U says, umbrella keeps us dry. V for van. V says, ooh, let's ride in the van. You learned letter V. W for watermelon. W says, woo! It's juicy and sweet.
X for xylophone. X says X. Let's play a happy tune.
Y for yak. Y says you. The yak lives in cold mountains. Z for zebra. Z says zoo. Look at the black and white stripes. You finished the alphabet.